Hi guys, I showed you I picked this car up in the charity shop for 99 pence. It's rather nice inside, got lots of detail, but in the previous video I showed that I've changed the batteries and I've tried all my transmitters and none of them talk to it. So now we're going to take it apart just to check there's nothing silly like a loose wire on the battery lead or something like that. Okay, we've got some wires going up to the LEDs for the lights. Okay, well, at first glance there's nothing obviously wrong with it. Battery leads are all okay. So I think our problem is whatever the chip is in there, the receiver chip, decoder chip, is not one that I've got a matching transmitter for. So I guess we can do one of my let's have a look at the steering videos. I'll just see if I can get this aerial out of the way, then I can get the body off properly. Well, I found my problem after messing around with all those different transmitters. I finally got round to taking it apart and measuring the voltage that's going to the receiver, and I wasn't getting any. And I checked on the battery terminals and I still wasn't getting any. And all it was where the corroded batteries had been in there and gone crystalline, that terminal up there was dirty. And as soon as I cleaned that out, put the battery back in again, then we're working fine with just one of my common ordinary transmitters. So I've just wasted probably a couple of hours in total, to be honest, when all it was dirty battery contact. So now that I've got it apart, we might as well have a quick look at the steering. Yeah, I'll do that as a separate video. So we know it works. It was just dirty battery contacts after all that fussing around with the different transmitters. And I'll do a separate video for the steering disassembly. We might even have a look at the gearbox and that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.